we are we are going to use this word here in reference to time, or not during. Not during. I would say reference for time. So by, if you say by, you're setting the limit. For example, I might say, I have to finish by 10:30. 10:30. I have to finish it by 10:30. Well, I'm setting the limit. So 10:30. Imagine that this is the timeline. And 10:30 is here. I can finish at any point. I can finish at any point here, but not, let me change the color. I can not, red, not finish after 10:30 because 10:30 is my limit. So that's the idea for by. By sets the limit. Oh, very important. Don't use it with period. Okay? That's another word. It's within. I will just write here so you can look for the lesson or you can talk to your teacher, but that's within for period. Don't use by when you have a period. 10:30, it's a moment. Okay? It's a moment. It's not a period. It's a moment. Until. Well, until you use for a period. But let me set the timeline here. Okay, so that's the timeline. And this is 9 o'clock, for example. And right now we are here. So if you say, I am going to work until 9 p.m. What I understand by this sentence is that this action, work, is not going to stop. It's going to start now, or it started before, it doesn't matter. And it's not going to stop. It will continue, 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 and only stops at 9 p.m. Okay? So if you say, I'm going to work until 9 p.m., it means you're going to work, 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 and stops only at 9 p.m. I want to get your attention for this phrase here. It's a wrong phrase, okay? Let me use a different color here. It's a wrong phrase. I have to finish until 10 o'clock. Why is it wrong? Because that's the timeline. Whoops, sorry. So that's the timeline. We are here. This is now. And 10 o'clock is here. So if you say, I have to finish until 10 o'clock, I understand that this whole period here, you will finish. You will finish, 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 finish. See, that doesn't work, okay? That is wrong. Don't use this. If you are watching this lesson, you probably have used this. So you have to use the limit, not the period, the limit. I have to finish until, it's wrong. I have to finish by 10 o'clock. That's correct. By the time, what is by the time? Let me draw a line here. I'll just get a blue color. I very rarely use blue, so I'm going to use blue now. Okay. So let's say that this is the time you finish. Okay? This is, I don't know, 9 o'clock equal the time you finish. And at the same time, 9 o'clock, or before that, same time or before that, I will be at home. So my phrase here would be, I will be at home by the time you finish. And you understand, at the same time, okay? Or before.